And here the length of the depth of the step. You can use the one bit for multiple applications because there are many different sizes on the step drill bit. So you can use one step drill bit to drill many different hole sizes. And how to use your step drill bit? Because the step drill bit is worked with electrical drill. So when you use the step drill bit, first you need to have an electric drill, and you can either drill a pellet hole or punch as an indentation to your material with a center punch. Then attach your bit and set it into the pellet hole or indentation and start drilling. With each step of the drill bit, you find your hole getting larger and larger. Here, I will show you how to drill the hole. And first, use the drill bit, drill a pellet hole, like this. Drill a pellet hole, drill it into the pellet hole, and draining. So I already showed you how to use the step drill bit. If you want to learn more, welcome to contact me.